Yeah. Look at that. About to do some kayaking. Three musketeers.
Yo, I'm gonna die, yo. What the?
Yo, there's a storm brewing behind us. If you guys, do you guys see the rain clouds behind us? It's actually hectic. I think it's what's the weather saying? Check what Google's saying.
Cloudy.
Oh, it looks like it's gonna rain though.
It's cloudy. It's like rain. But yo, you know like Toronto weather?
Toronto weather is risky though.
Unpredictable.
It's risky.
So what up? You know, we all vlogging. Look at this guy.
Yo, this guy don't have even. This man doesn't even have a life jacket. Chilling out here, bro.
Yo, mans are for Bangladesh, man.
Bangladesh, bro.
We grew up in the water, man.
Forky, bro.
Yo, you ever seen those videos? You speak a certain languages for 24 hours.
Yeah.
It's about that time. Ice camera show be. My facility is not good, but this guy's facility is proper. Assalamualaikum. Tomar kita kayaking লাগছে নি bala na kita.
আমার তো অনেক একটা প্রিয় একটা কেলনা এই যে এত টাকা খরচ করেছি এই যে কায়াকের জন্য অনেক ভালো লাগছে আমার সব বন্ধুর সাথে আমি আসি অনেক খুশি করতেছি
Ice camera.
That guy's facility is worse than mine, bro. 100%. Yo, mine is bad enough, but this guy's worse. I'm 100%, bro. Kita bala suni. Khobor kita bala suni. To be honest, yo, the rule is we can only speak Sileti. আমরা খালি সিলেটি মারতাম আর কিছু মারতাম পারতাম না এখন সো এখন থেকে এখন হোসেন তোমার নাম হোসেন তোমার এক্সপেরিয়েন্স কি লাগলো
ওই এক্সপেরিয়েন্স হলো কেন
আমি জিজ্ঞাসা তোমারে তোমার এই কায়াকিং এক্সপেরিয়েন্স কিলা লাগছে इसको
এক্সপেরিয়েন্স কি আছে
নাম কি তা
হ্যাঁ এক্সপেরিয়েন্স বাংলা কিতা কইন
বাংলা তো নৌকা
নৌকা না বে নৌকা হইলো
প্লাস্টিক নৌকা
প্লাস্টিক নৌকা
তোমার কইরাম এক্সপেরিয়েন্স
নৌকা
বাংলায় আমরা এক্সপেরিয়েন্স কিতা কই
Oh no, there pangal ko yung nৌকা আর আছে বড়ই কি তা
Yo, I don't think they have kayaks back home, so they don't actually they just probably call this kayak.
Yeah, they probably just call it kayak.
Yeah.
they call নৌকা
So our experience bala hoise alhamdulillah.
কিসাস কি তা
Kita তুই সাস kita beta. Oi.
আমার তো
তুই আমার আবু সিনোস না বে
আমার তো অবস্থা বালা
জুতা লইয়া বাড়িয়া
আমি 6 গুন্ডা
তারা কয় আমারে
গুন্ডামি করি
আমার #6gunda 6_gunda Instagram Canada but আসলে আমার জন্ম হইছে বাংলাদেশও আমি আইছি নো Okay, you hold on.
Separate.
Guys, if you can try to get an inflatable kayak so you can enjoy this view. Can't even lie, it's actually nice. Just relax. Kayak was $90 off Amazon. Just have to inflate it. Just chilling. Yo, what do you have to say about this experience? $90 budget kayak. Oh, we're hitting the shore.
Yo, honestly, for under what, like at least $150, it's probably the best.
Yo, we're about to hit the shore, bro. Yeah, you guys got. Oh, hold on. No.
Yo.
Oh my god.
You want me to die. I don't know how far we
Yo, Johnny Boy, we need your input.
Look at Johnny Boy, yo, he's chilling. Buddy is chilling, bro.
You're a pro at this game. We wanted your input. Inflatable, this is an inflatable life jacket. If you guys are interested, off Amazon. It's like $20. Inflatable kayak. It comes with the oar. Yo guys, check out these waves right now. Check out these waves, holy. almost sunset. Look at that view. The views are honestly like beautiful. It really is beautiful. Johnny Bhai, say what up. Say what up to the camera.
What up? What up?
We're just waiting another 15-20 minutes to catch the sunset vibe. Sunset in Toronto is unmatched. It really is. Look at Shoykot all the way in the corner. Shoykot!
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Go to the store.
This guy's butt's apparently hurting because he's been on this kayak for too long. You see, this whole strip is the Toronto Islands. So if you're from Toronto, you've probably been there before. Island School, Center Island. Hit that up next time. That I won't even lie. That looks beautiful. Alhamdulillah.